It's raining. It's pouring on us right now. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Adventurous sneaking through the island, see if we can find some more wood. Oh, what is this? It's like a ladder. No, I can't carry that. Wow. Oh my God.
We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be a final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
I see that. What a pain in my butt. What's up, guys? Welcome to Junkies Miami, and boy, do we have a fun video for you. Yesterday was Monday, and we decided to play hooky because it's her birthday week. So we went to our favorite island, and we had a great day. Such an adventurous day. We did so much. The thing is, we didn't bring our cameras with us because we were not going to film. We were just going to hang out. And we only had our phones. But then when we were there, we were like, oh my God, we should be filming this. I think our subscribers would love to see this. We were having way too much fun. Yeah, so we said, you know what? Let's do it with our phones. And that's what we did. And it was an incredible day. We found coconuts, which is a really cool thing. Something is beeping. Don't worry about that. I'm making some clam strips in the oven. So we filmed it with our phones. It rained on us. Oh, it was like literally like super interesting. And you guys are gonna get to see that. So yeah, I'm telling you, it's a great video with a lot of raw footage, a little bit adventurous, some cooking, de todo un poco like they say. So make sure that you guys keep watching to the end, okay? Because some fun stuff is coming out for you. And remember, if you like our videos, hit the like button. And if you want to watch more videos, subscribe to our channel. And we really appreciate and love our subscribers. Love you guys. Thank you so much. We've met some of you at the sandbar, and we love meeting you all. Pablo, Mara, Diego, Catherine, Joel and Barbie. Woo -woo. It was a pleasure meeting you guys. You guys are awesome. And again, our subscribers, remember, send us comments if you guys want to see us do something, or if there's something that, you know, just send us comments and, you know, we'll answer you. Yeah, okay. Stay tuned, watch this video, you're gonna love it. Bye. Woo! For those of you that don't know, my birthday's around the corner. It's July 27th. I am a Leo. And if anybody has any Leo friends, you know, we like to party all month long. So I've kind of kept it down to like 10 days. I'm 10 days away from my birthday today. So cheers to my birthday. Clink, clink. And the birthday shenanigans just starting. Just started. So we'll see. Today, look at this. Check this out, guys. We are in paradise. This is our paradise. Check out the wood collected, the fire set ready to go. I'll show you guys how we do that. We got our coconuts that we picked up when we got here. We got our chairs with our machete. And then we have the other sea junkie here chilling. And check this out. It never gets old. It never gets old.
We got everything we need right here.
And we're gonna spend the whole day here, so you guys get to see a little bit of everything. Woo! Woohoo! And the savage found an incredible piece of wood that we can burn. By the way, we're cleaning the island as we go. We found it again, it's pretty dirty. So we picked up a lot of the trash and stuff like that. That's enough wood for the night, for the rest of the day. Huh? Woo! Birthday girl? Well, guys, I guess a little impromptu rainstorm never killed everybody, right? Because it's raining. It's pouring on us right now. Check this out. Oh my God. I can't believe it. We just got here, literally ready. We covered. Everything is getting soaking wet. Missy Fu is getting her birthday rain shower. Un de pojo, I guess I must need, because it was like bloody murder sun, like sunny, beautiful day like 2 seconds ago, and now it's like a downpour. I guess it's typical Miami weather.
Yeah, so what we did was we found this old table and we cover our firewood so that protect it, so that we can at least start the fire. Once you start the fire, this wood, it doesn't matter if it's a little drain, it will catch. But it's this wood, the starting wood, is the one that we cannot let it get wet. So let's see if this works. You know, little treasures you find in the islands that are kind of trash, but treasures. So?
Oh man.
You got rain for your birthday.
Did not see that coming at all.
We're under a little tree. We didn't go to the boat because a little rain doesn't kill anybody, and it's actually really yummy. So, because it's bloody hot today. So, we're gonna wait the storm a little bit, and then we're gonna continue our adventure today. So stay tuned. And of course, typical Miami weather, we got poured on, and now guess what? This bipolar weather we have in Miami is really amazing. As long as there's no lightning, I'm fine. When I hear lightning, I run. That is one of my biggest fears. I literally have a phobia with thunderstorms and stuff like that. So
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside.
check this out. Jesus. Phone cables in the water. These people. I think that we have a track here, so look.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything.
As you guys have seen before, this place is beautiful. Love it. So gorgeous with Miami downtown behind it. The water is yummy. Look at these. And you can hear the sound of these little waves all day long. We don't even play music when we come here. It's like only we have friends over. Otherwise, it's magic.
Skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything, sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies.
So we have to put this again because the rain is coming back. So let's see what happens. Oh boy, let's head it this way. I don't know what to tell you. We have to cover again the wood. Oh boy, here we go again. Miami weather for sure. Birthday girl!
What is up with this? Sunny, raining, sunny, raining, sunny, sunny, raining, raining, sunny, raining. I mean, pick one. So we can either leave or start the party.
We are not leaving.
Coño.
We're not leaving. No nos vamos. Esto es
What is this?
agua deliciosa aquí. Mira, it's hot anyway, so it doesn't matter. Haven't started the fire yet. But these guys seem pretty wet at this point, so I don't know what to tell you. And the rain is coming back. Missy Fu is having a Corona Light.
Yes.
Birthday girl! Woohoo!
Drinky.
Missy Fu, drinky. What? I did do that.
Oh my god, and I missed, by the way. I didn't even get one drop in my mouth. Not even one.
Oh man, what is this? You are being extremely persistent, Rain. We are not leaving. We are not leaving. It's Missy Fu's birthday. We're staying. We're sticking around. Unless there's lightning, then no way I'm staying here with lightning. So let me tell you something. We used to live at that building, blue, 15 years ago. And we used to see the lightning hit this island like there was going out of style, right? It was like came, one after another. That's why this island, rain and thunder, is a big no-no. I think that happens for all islands pretty much. The rain disappeared. And here we are, chileando.
Watch me dancing in the car.
Chileando. So today never failed. Aquí estamos chileando. Aquí estamos chileando.
Blowing up a thunder, wash it off.
Fire. So Drinkies in the house. Always. But guess what? Today. By the way, pretty. Don't tell anybody. But today is. We are playing hookies today, so don't tell anybody. We're just like chilling at the island.
Dreams wonder what they really mean.
Birthday. It's a birthday hookie day. Okay, rain number 3. Number 3 and less than 30. I'm starting to think that maybe we should just stay home. I mean, I don't understand this. We're not leaving. By the way, it had 10% chance of rain today. So if there's anybody out there that works for the Weather Channel, are you a suck? Oh my God. They're always inaccurate. I don't know. I know that meteorology is kind of guessing based on wind. It's an estimate. Yeah, it's a guesstimate. But I mean, yeah. Show up the sky. Show the sky. Oh boy. That's a whole lot of dark gray to me. Stay tuned. Let's see if the day gets better. Then we can continue with the adventure because as long as there's no lightning, we're here to stay. One lightning, I'm out. So stay tuned. So how about we open a coconut? I am dying to drink a coconut. Coconut time.
Burning chemistry, you and me alone. Inside of our embassy.
The machete is in the house. Get the biggest one. Get the biggest one.
Yeah, well, this is the roundest one. Famous rock.
Famous rock. 15 years opening coconuts here.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me.
Be careful with your hand. Ah, that's a.
Oh my god, it's got like a lot of meat and everything. Hold on.
We got everything we need right here.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Look at that meat. Oh,
this
this is
out.
gonna be delicious. Oh my god.
It's not that much, you know, but it's got water. It's got good water.
Look, let's have a lot of meat.
Yeah, that's good meat. Yummy. Oh, I want some. I'm gonna get my Leatherman so we can eat the meat with it. Water.
Look.
Yum. I love it. Let me see.
Try it. What? Oh yeah.
Oh my god, this coconut water is like.
Yum. Delicious. Qué rico, Dios mío. No, y tremenda carne que tiene adentro. I'll crack it open now so we can have some of the meat.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so sweet. Qué
It's my
rico,
favorite.
Dios mío. Look at that. Look at how much meat is in there. Let's crack it open.
Yeah.
Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty borderlands of the answers, write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty
Alright, hopefully there's no sand in it.
I don't care about the sound.
Oh my
that is
god,
yum-
look
Oh my
at
god.
that.
Oh my god. This is like
Yummy.
one of my favorite things to eat ever.
Oye, pero es chiquitico por dentro, mira.
Sí. Bueno, it's a baby.
Yeah. You have your
Yum.
Letterman?
Yeah. I actually like coconut meat even more than water. This is like my favorite thing to eat. Ah. Check that out. It's so good. We got lucky today because usually what happens is that we get here and the coconuts are all gone because everybody's taking them. But today we got lucky because we got some that probably fell overnight last night. We're gonna munch on this for sure. So.
Yummy.
Yum. That's a perfect night for this. Be careful with your hand because that knife is sharp.
I know.
I think you can pull it out already. Yummy, yummy, yumminess right here. This is like white gold. Such a great coconut. That's a coconut dance.
That's a yummy done.
My favorite thing to eat.
No, but it's perfect.
I love it. It's like besides sushi, of course.
Oh yeah, that otro trocito was yummy.
Yeah. Look at this. Yumminess right here. Huh? Nothing like it. It's perfect. With rain and everything. And that's for a birthday. Birthday girl there. So one of our subscribers suggested that we put rum in the coconut with coconut water. So we got lucky today. Woo-hoo. Because believe me, it's not easy to find coconuts in Miami Island. We found 4 coconuts. We're gonna take them home and we're going with rum in one of them and we're gonna try it. So stay tuned. It's gonna be really cool to see because coconut and rum are supposed to be the best mix ever. So stay tuned. We're ready to start the fire. And we have fire stick in the house. Woo-hoo! So let's get this started. Let's get this fire started.
Let's get this fire in here. Let's get this fire.
Yeah. And this crab got actually wet, so this is gonna be an interesting one to start. By the way.
Dale, métele mano, babe, you got it.
Okay. It's gonna be fun. And I love it. Dale, que tú puedes.
Dale, Fire Master.
It's so wet, man. It's like, ow.
Oops. Bleep. Oh yeah, run a right chair.
It's fine.
Woo! I love that snap, crackle, pop! Woo!
We got fire!
Ladies and gents.
And I got my fire stick.
Woohoo!
Love that sound.
Snap, crackle, pop, baby. Woo!
It's burning. I'm gonna let the breeze come in.
Yo, I think the breeze kind of took your chair right there, so I don't know. Hey, your drinkies on the floor.
It's okay.
Just saying. It's like,
I love the sound.
woo!
We got fire! Fire in the house.
Woo!
With a flip.
Oh yeah.
That's how you do it.
Primitive.
And now we're gonna cook some hot doggies. Hot doggies!
Woo!
Fire in the house! Now we get to cook hot dogs.
Yep.
Chicken hot doggies.
Yeah, chicken dogs.
The fire is on fire! And check this out, guys. This piece of wood can burn all night. But you always turn off the fire. But check this out. We're gonna be here for a while, so we're gonna cook. Check out the sunset, the ocean, Miami views. We're getting ready to cook some hot doggies. No wingies today. Hot doggies today, no wingies. And Missy Fu, of course, the savage is like finding more wood.
Oh yeah. That's a good one right here.
That's an amazing one.
Try. It's like a redwood, so it'll burn longer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we have enough. We have enough for cooking and for the rest of the day and the part of the night.
That's true. We're working with over here. Look. We got some chicken doggies, right? We got Wonder Bread. I brought some street relish and some chopped onions on the side. We've got, of course, some ketchup, mustard, and then these bad boys are really cool because you pull them out, you put a hot dog on there, you put it on the fire, put that in the bun, and you're ready to go. We got two of these, one for each.
And you can do that with marshmallows too,
Yeah.
by the way. Those things rock. And we kept it simple today because it's Monday and, you know, we were like, let's just keep it simple. Hot dogs in the house.
Yep.
Right?
What?
So here we are, guys. Chileando. Chileando is like a Island Monday. Chileando. Missy Fu's birthday is on the 27th, so we're gonna film some cool stuff for you guys. She already knows what she wants. She got her birthday present. She wanted a spear gun. Now she wants to use it. So stay tuned because it's gonna be a really cool birthday for her. A lot of cool stuff coming, so stay tuned.
We are going to do a little bit of some adventurous sneaking through the yard and see if we can find some more wood. We're kind of running out, but we're looking good still. But it's good for you guys to see what's actually out here, which is incredible. You guys gotta see that. Look at that stuff. I mean, there's so much out here. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, look at this. Oh my god, it's like a coconut graveyard. Jesus, what's up with this? Ooh, this is a nice piece right here. I want to take this with me. Let's see. Oh boy. Let's go through here. Oh, yeah. Okay, kind of ducking a little deep. Oh, whoa, ooh. Just hit a spider web. Jesus. Okay, here we go. Okay, look, we came out. So we came out too. What? Oh, Nike sandal. Nike sandal, really cool. I wonder if the other ones around here. Check this out. This is actually the other side of the island. Oh my god, look at all that dry wood. Yum. This is the side of the island that actually is hardly visited, you know. Look at like much slack on the floor. The tide's going down, so what's going on is that this stuff is actually surfacing. Otherwise, you can't get around to the side of the island because it's usually underwater. Oh my god, look at that 2x4. I am 100% taking this 2x4 with me. Oh wait, it might be too big. Oh, what is this? It's like a ladder. No, I can't carry that. Can't carry that. This tree out. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna try to take this with me. There's a lot of good wood to burn tonight, so wish me luck because I gotta go through all that stuff with this now. So here we go. Alright, so we're trying to take this back. There you go. I'm gonna go around the outside. I'm actually carrying this bad boy on the shoulder. Woo! So we can go around this side. The tide's still low enough, I think, that I can go around these rocks. This piece of this ladder's gonna be great to burn. Oh man, it's heavy. Yeah. Look at these rocks. Woo. Here we go. Thank God for Crocs. What? Let's see. Oh. Oh. Hold on. The last one. Guys, what are these? Are these like... Oh wow. That's really good. Are these like periwinkles? Oh, that guy squirted. What are these guys? Some little oysters here. Are these like periwinkles? Are these edible? Does anybody know? Wow, they're all over the rocks here. Yeah, interesting. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, this is like a... That's kind of cool. Alright. Back to taking this bad boy to the fire. Let's see if we can get it there. Alright, hold on. Oh. We're back on. Trying to walk through here. So we can take this back to the fire and burn it out. Ooh, look at all the seaweed down there. A lot of seaweed. Oh. You only gotta go to that little area right there. You see the opening? Maybe I can walk right through there and across. And take this to the fire. Ooh, real smooth. Look. Alright, here we go. Woo! Almost there. Almost there. See if we can do this. I think I'm gonna be able to walk literally right through here. Yeah. Right through here. Okay. Hey, Lulu! Oh, this through here. Oh my god, these periwinkles are everywhere. Hey, Lulu! Lulu! Mission accomplished. I brought it to the campsite. Here we go. Now let's burn this sucker. What? It's like a full-blown ladder, by the way. Oh my god. Washed up ashore. Very cool. Woof. You. So the Savage just the Savage just brought a full-blown ladder that was washed on the island to burn. And I mean, this is gonna require like at least 3 days.
on the island. Yep. I was here tending the fire and she comes back. She disappeared and she comes back, and guess what she comes with?
Yeah.
That's why I call her the savage. Now we're supposed to burn this, but maybe we can hide it and burn it another day. You know, we hide things, right? Only you guys are going to know where we hide things, so that if you come to the island, you can burn the stuff we collect. Because we're cleaning up at the end of the day, right? But only you guys know our secrets. So look at
This is like a full-blown ladder.
Yeah, and this is not even a boat ladder. This is like
something.
this came from some sort of dock that they did like a
They washed the shore.
yeah. So savage.
Yeah. You guys all about it, so you know what's up. I trucked this puppy up all the way from back there, and hopefully we can burn at least a couple of pieces of it tonight. So we'll see what happens.
We'll break it down.
Yeah.
Although it's wet, so we may have to hide it and then let it dry and come back next Monday. This wood has been in the water so long. Look at these oysters. This is incredible. You gotta keep feeding the fire. We're not ready to cook yet. We're watching the sunset, enjoying this moment, but gotta keep feeding the fire. And by the way, I always look for my fire stick, and I keep it for a while, and then I burn it. You either burn your fire stick at the end of the day, or you take it home. We used to collect them, but we have so much driftwood that is beautiful that we were like, okay, too many fire sticks in the house. We had like a bunch of them in the corner, but check this out, how beautiful it is. Huh? And we're gonna burn this. This has been hanging around for a while. And we can turn it off and come back to the island, and we'll still can get another piece of it. We hide it. Don't tell anybody, by the way. Right? We hide the wood that we collect, and then we come back.
Chicle.
So we either burn it or we hide it. Because otherwise, we'll come back and there's no wood for any fire. Check this out, guys. This is so beautiful. Look at that sun. Ah, there she is. She's coming down now. And the rain is gone. She's dancing for Maddie's birthday today. Woo! It's sunset time. Yeah, this is. I don't even know what to say. Like, I have no words to describe every time we're here, and we keep saying the same thing over and over again. By the way, but when you're here, you understand. So we're trying to be here with you guys and like have you guys see what we see and experience, because it's so special. This place is special. Check the fire! It's on fire!
Yeah. But all you guys need to keep a secret, okay? It's a very secret island. It's a secret island, for sure.
Only our subscribers have access to this island. Yeah. Only you guys have access to this island, especially this spot. This is no access to anybody else but you guys, okay? So stay tuned. Hot doggy in the house. Fire is still going.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me are
It's doing that noise that I love. Huh?
Snap, crackle, pop.
part of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Look at that sunset on the water.
I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need right.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. Oh, that's a hot doggy there on that side.
We got everything we need right here.
The best hot dog you could ever have is the one that you made in a fire. See that? Check this out. Yummy, yummy. Toasty on the outside, soft on the inside, and oh my god. And Maricusa likes her stuff really dressy. I'm very simple. I like my food simple. Watch how amazing this hot dog is. Check this out. That is That's amazing. Yummy stuff. A little bit of everything. Wow. By the way, I love my hot dog with nothing. Oh my god. And I like my hot dog with everything. Yeah. Perfect balance. Try it. Try it. No, that's too good. Try it. Here, I'll take a bite. I just don't like my hot dogs with so much stuff because I like to taste the meat. So, let's see. Ketchup, relish, and mustard, ketchup, relish, and onions. Look, this is Maddie's hot dog. That was so good. Sorry? That was so good. Yum, yum. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I can see me there. Oh, there's the water. And we gotta drink the water. Dale. Métele, tete. Drink the water, and this also has. Dale. Oh my god, this has more water. This one is so good. Check it out. Check it out. Check this out. And by the way, these 2 cans here that we have, we save them from our drinks because before we leave the island, we are going to turn off the fire, and you all should always do that. And we fill them up with water, and then we turn off the fire like that. So never leave trash in the island and never leave a fire on, ever.
Sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Guess what, guys? No wood left. We burned it all. This is the end of it, and after this, we'll turn off whatever is left. And we go home, and how amazing this is.
Everything we need, right? Watch me. Dancing in the colors, lightning. Blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
Dear Miami, I fucking love you. I love you too, Miami. See, junkies. Here. More water on the fire. We gotta turn off the fire, guys. Always turn off that fire.
Moonlight on your naked skin. Summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go?
My beautiful island. We'll see you next time. What an amazing day, guys. Another beautiful day on this island. Tienes de todo un poco, Miami. Como a todas las sazoneras me encanta.
Never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
Miami, I love you. Huh? Yeah.
Over me, we got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Break down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder.
And here we have something that we're going to do. One of our subscribers, Samba at Miami, wrote in his comment that if we put a little bit of Bacardi rum and some sugar and these coconuts and the coconut water, that it's gonna taste delicious. So we promised in the comments that we were gonna do it, and guess what? Yesterday we found coconuts in the island, and we are going to try. So stay tuned. We may end up a little bit tipsy after this.
Yeah.
That's rum.
Yeah, here's to hoping.
Yeah, right. So stay tuned. Machete's ready.
Yeah, I just sharpened it too, so hopefully it'll get through these bad boys easily. Let's do one at a time. Let's bring these little cupcakes. Pichichi! ¿Qué tú haces, mi gordo? ¿Qué tú haces, gordo? Can't even hear me. Watch out. Watch out, baby. Boy. Boy.
Wait. Oh, he's coming.
Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
Wow, lo afilaste.
Wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning.
Wow, you're getting really good at this. Check this out. I want the me too. Oh, you got it. Don't let the water spill.
Moonlight on your naked skin. Summer.
Sambar at Miami said you put a little bit of sugar, but we're Splenda girls because we gotta look after our girlish figure, you know what I'm saying?
Sí.
So we've got Splenda, we're gonna put one Splenda in each. Bam. Bam. Right? And then this, which is like the star of the show, right?
This is some rum that we had left from our last birthday party, so that's a lot of rum.
Little cup. The cup caught it. Well, I mean,
Did you put the sugar in?
Yeah. And in here. There we go.
Tenemos que haberle sacado un poquito de agua quizás, ¿no? Bueno, le ponemos un poquito más ahora.
No.
We put a little bit more now.
I think it's perfect like this.
Yeah.
I mean, honestly, like normally what they give you in a drink is gonna be about 2 ounces anyway, so this will be perfect.
Yeah.
Alright, so will you do the honors? Si Junkie?
I am looking forward to this. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Oh my God. He was right.
Really?
That is one of the yummiest drinks I've ever had in my life.
Let's see.
Check that out. Incredible.
Oh my God, I almost cursed, but I was gonna say holy cow, right? Because it's that good. Thank you, Sambar at Miami. You know, guys, listen, if you guys want to see us do something or you see something cool or something like that, make sure that you leave us a comment because we'll try it. We'll give it a shot, we'll film it, and we'll show you if we liked it or not. Now, this is really good. I think we got one more coconut left over there, so we might have a third.
Yes.
We'll see.
Ching ching. Thank you, Summer Miami. Here we go. Coconut with Bacardi rum and a little bit of sugar.
A little bit of sugar. It worked out.
Too good.
Yum.
I'm like, delicious.
Bye.
Growing so much. Oh my God. So beautiful. Look at this, how healthy it is.